Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Quebec Garage. So today we are going to work on the hot rod again, and what I'm going to do is change some bolts in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change these bolts up in here to grade 8 hardware. So I'll set the camera up somewhere underneath here, and we'll just show you what we're going to do here. So that's grade 5 hardware is coming out of there that I put in temporarily, and grade 8's going back in. So hang on, we'll get set up and we'll be right back. So I just wanted to show you, here's the hardware that's going back in the car. There's 4 on each side. You might have noticed I'm missing one right away here. That's because I've already got it installed in the car. I just wanted to show you guys the hardware that I've got first. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll be back underneath the car to show you how that's done. So we're going to remove these first. And I'm going to do these basically one at a time. And these were just put in here temporarily. So I could hold the rear end in place, because I didn't have any grade 8 hardware. We'll put this over here, and we've got to change sockets, and we'll change these. And just drop that in there like so. Actually, I'm going to put the that one in first. And we'll get this hardware started here. And this is all fine thread. There we go, I can get this on by hand here. And then once we get the car out on the road again, we will come back and double check the hardware. So what I'll do is I'll do the other 3 on here, and I'll do the other 3 on the other side, and then we'll come back and we'll get your teeth back up in here to show you the completed project. So I'll be right back once we're done. Okay, so we've got all 4 of them in on this side. It's all fine thread, grade 8, and we've got all of them on that side all in there. So once I take the car for a shakedown test in the spring, we'll come back and we'll address these to make sure that they're still tight, but I don't see any problems. So yeah, so now we've got the grade 5 hardware changed to the grade 8 fine thread. So that's got the grade 8 hardware buttoned up on the Nova. So like I said, I got to give it a shakedown run in the spring and then come back in and probably re-tighten up the those bolts again just to make sure that they're tight. So I'll do that in the spring once I take it for a shakedown run. So remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to put a link on the screen here that you can go and see the install of the rear springs in here and the shocks. So remember again to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Bye.